Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the network basics straight. Make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi or Ethernet is enabled and that other sites load to prove internet access. Once done, install Capcut from the Microsoft Store or the official installer and sign into your account so the app can sync. Then open Windows Firewall settings and allow Capcut or grant network permission. This prevents blocked downloads. These steps let the app reach update servers and media libraries without delay. Now you configure the app to use that connection. Open Capcut and navigate to Account or Settings to confirm it detects online status. If not, toggle Reconnect options. Enable automatic updates and cloud sync so assets and templates download when available. Next, link Google Drive or OneDrive from the Import menu so you can pull media directly. This makes media access seamless and reduces manual file transfers, ensuring edits can use online templates and cloud backups. To finish, run a quick test. Import an online asset or a cloud photo and export a short clip to confirm upload and download functionality. If speeds are slow or items fail, first restart Capcut and then the laptop. That clears temporary blocks. Make sure any VPN or proxy isn't restricting traffic, and if needed, reset the network adapter or flush DNS. This single troubleshooting tip, disable VPN/proxy temporarily, fixes most connection problems and gets Capcut back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.